what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Everyone, hello my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Mangbonga people, Lord, today's topic now about one guy will just enter one chance for one girl and in the enter one chance. Hey, my people. Una know say some men sometimes they deserve what they get to. That they deserve, and sometimes this guy like seriously, this boy, my people, muna list in dey Germany here, he no get document, he no get paper, he no get wetin dey waka, na only normal advice wey they give them here na he dey with this guy. So my people, more na listen to tori more na listen to tori, because some guys they deserve wetin they get sometimes. Really they deserve am, because why I say they deserve am, you dey Europe here, not be we wey dey Europe here supposed to dey marry each other. We wey dey Europe here, people wey dey Naija go dey marry themselves. No, una go from here, una wan go marry girl for Naija. This guy, now this our brother take enter one chance, be say he know this girl. This he no know this girl before, wey he go marry come from Naija. So how it happen? His friend can go marry for Naija, he can't come back, he can't come Europe here. So you can't bring her come Europe here. So now you can go meet your friends here. In the toast girls for here, they know they grieve for him. They say they don't want date him. They don't like him. He said because they thought saying too black. If they say you too black, my brother, you don't go lighten your skin small. You lighten down, make the shine. You're going to use better cream. He said they're saying too black. Now you can reason and say, okay, may you just go bring for Naija. Now you can't go Naija. You can't go bring the girl come. He say he can ask his friend, or friend can tell her say, I go help you with one girl for Naija. May you go toast the girl, he go give you the number. You don't know whether na arrange you, you can really call the girl. Come begin they call the girl the way they give her for Naija. You can tell the girl saying go bring you come Europe. Because now those kind guys, so now that they use math, they spoil girls for here. Say girls what they are not good. They big girl, they be this. Now those kind of guys, now they talk. You can't go. They can't talk to the girl. You can't tell the girl say I go bring you come Europe. I go marry you. This that. Now the girl come. They say really my brother, no problem. You can't go put money for the girl head. You can't do everything. Not be you can't bring the girl come Europe. Girl where you never date, where you don't know whether it go possible. Even the one where you see face to face, it dey hard. Talk less of the one where you not just see at all. The one where you not just see, my people. Then you go just go Nigeria. Say you want to go bring, that is you dey here. You just do visa, do everything. He say when they gather this money, not come they eat that period. I don't know why he not carry us at this boy. He not come they eat that period. He come they think every day. They gather money where they go pay am for here, go keep am. You can't go they do black work, they do different things. Or because they want bring girl, we never see face to face. So now only video call the two of them they do. This guy can't bring the girl after money can finally complete. You can't bring her come Europe. I say bring her come Europe. He say when you go pick the girl, where the girl come, now that they know say in the enter one chance. As he pick the girl finish, the girl, madam, the girl your fair look am. The way the girl say even happy to see him, you just show say the girl not just like him. He say he can say he can carry the girl go as they reach us now. Madam, not do vagile. When we come jogodo, the girl no want. The girl they do like your man now. As you come back, you supposed to like see jogodo with her. You know, just send the man. The man say you know they want. You know they want he follow and play. Nothing. In fact, not even like mistake. Not the belly even to enter, because if they want even do now once in a while, and that once in a while go come for the girl mind. The girl have to give her condition. I beg. If you want able touch breast, the girl go say no. May you see touch nyash, the girl go say no. May you see kiss, the girl go say no. Now just quick, I beg, I want sleep fast. Now that kind of one the girl they do with the boy. The boy say sometimes you can't just dey weak. Now not that kind jogodo will be say you no go even play, you no go fit touch oranges, you no go fit touch anything. Now just enter gba just do am. The girl go say fast fast fast. In fact, the girl fit even dey read newspaper say you don finish, you know. So no feelings, nothing. So this our brother say one chance. He say the day wey come know say he really enter one chance wey he come hear one day the girl when he just come, the girl dey tell him brother for phone say this one no be the kind guy wey him go stay with o. This one na just me fit your get wetin him dey look for na bye bye. So him brother come dey say yes o. They just do am like that. You don come Europe come marry, at least you have to see find money, you know. Say na that day you know say na one chance he enter. The girl no dey gree make he jogodo with am. The girl no dey gree make he touch am. He say the girl no dey gree. Before him jogodo, e go hard. If the girl even offend am, he go lay down dey beg. He go beg am, beg am, beg am. E just be like say him dey stink for where the girl dey. Once he go half likeness, the girl no get for am. Once he go half likeness, the girl no get for am. He say no know what to do again. He say make her beg, make people help am for advice. He no know what to do again. I say ja, oh my brother, your own Joromi, as in your dance step, you pass Joromi. Your own dance step. How you go just sit down, reason am, say wetin I go do now. Gather your money wey you supposed to take do better thing. You go use am take bring girl wey you never see face to face. This one a lesson to men, very very big lesson to men, very very big lesson. Wetin go make you dey Europe here? We wey dey Europe here, na we supposed to dey marry each other. No be Naija. Girl wey you no even see, the one wey you see dey hard. Talking of the one wey be say you no friend am for Naija, you no know am before. The you introduce am for you. You wey be say you dey Europe, you no even see get sense. Now all those kind men dey use mouth spoil girls wey dey Europe. All those kind men, I no dey too pity for them because you know why. Now people like this, now that they use mouth spoil girls. Girls not good. Girls wey all those girls wey be say they don't come here, they don't vandalize this that. You know I marry them more. And those kind of guys they use mouth spoil girls. Now him don enter one chance now. Correct one chance, my people. So how una feel for this matter? Una no reason na wetin me dey reason say this girl not get one single half likeness for this guy. One half love like this, he not get for am. Single likeness, he not get for am. So he say no want again. He say nah, wetin the girl come dey talk now be say comot, abeg, and if you not comot, I will call police for you. Anything like love, you don't dey again. So now the matter, my people. Half love like this, you don't get for the boy again. You no fit get for am. People say you no get for am again. He say make the boy come comot. Person wey go wan jogodo, you go dey tell the boy say the day when you go come for him mind, they go come tell the boy, ya can't do. Make you quick come o. Abeg, fast, abeg, I don tire. And wetin they do with the guy be that one, my people. Like the thing he shockalize me 10 times. Shockalize me. Now wetin most of our boys, some of them go they see where for all those girls wey they go they bring for Naija. Some go break girls out finish for here. Or go Naija, they want go bring girl. They want go bring girl because the ones where they here, they no want them to marry now. Now the one where they Naija, now he want them to marry, my people. Abi? So my bunga people now the matter o. As I see now I say ma come see tell you now, Mona help me give this our brother advice because sometimes they need advice. They need somebody to talk to them so that make thinkness not go finish there for his ass. So that the matter where they now be this one, man, get people. Thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.